Hi, I'm Gretchen, and welcome to On a Bear's Dime, where we like to share some ideas on how to save time and money for a better life. Today, we're going to be making Hawaiian meatballs that can be later turned into a stir fry. I'm using 90-10 and 80-20, 1 pound of each ground beef, just to make my meatballs a little bit leaner. You'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I like to use the Italian style. You can use just plain breadcrumbs, whatever your preference. I feel the Italian style gives a little bit more flavor. You'll also put in 2 eggs and a package of onion soup mix. And we're going to put this in a bowl and mix it all together until it's all incorporated. And you can also freeze these, which I will show you here in a minute, and save them for later. Make spaghetti and meatballs with it, or more Hawaiian meatballs. Here's the sauce I'm getting ready in my crock pot. It's got barbecue sauce of your choice, crushed pineapple, and brown sugar. And here's my meatballs all ready to go in the freezer. I'm going to freeze them for probably about 15-20 minutes, just until they're hard enough that they won't stick. After you have your meatballs rolled, we need to brown them. You can do it either in a pan like I'm doing here, or you can put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. With the pan, we're just making sure that all the outside is brown so that you don't transfer any type of bacteria or anything to your sauce. And make sure you're turning them so that you can evenly brown them on all sides. And after we get these brown, we're going to put them in our crock pot in the sauce and cook them on high for about 2 hours or on low for about 4 hours. When you put them in the sauce, make sure you're gently folding them into the sauce so you don't break the meatballs apart. I should have used a bigger crock pot, but since I didn't make all the meatballs, I just used a small one. Make sure they're all down in the sauce and put the lid on it, and they'll be done soon. And here are our frozen meatballs. What I'm going to do here is just put them in a plastic bag and put them back in the freezer to store. Be sure to mark on the bag the date that you made the meatballs and the date that you froze them, so that you know when you made them. So when you're doing your meal plan and looking through your freezer and you see you have meatballs in there for a while, you can use them up. Like I said, you can make them into the Hawaiian meatballs, or you can also use them for just regular spaghetti. And here are our done meatballs. Notice some of them are missing already. And what I'm going to do is put this in a container so I can make a stir fry for the next day. And what I have here, I just cut up the rest of a veggie tray that I had. I cut up the stem of my broccoli and some bell peppers, some carrots, and an onion to make your stir fry vegetables. This is a great way to use a leftover veggie tray or veggies that you were stacking on all week that are kind of not so great to eat raw, but then you can cook them and make a stir fry. And you notice here that I don't have very many meatballs. I forgot to inform my family that I was making this video, and most of them got eaten. And I'm going to serve this over white rice. So here I have my rice, and I'm going to put my stir fry on top of it with my 1 meatball to make a nice meal for dinner. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure you're hitting the bell icon so that you are informed when we upload videos, and comment on what you might like to see from us next. We upload a video every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So have a good day. See you later. Bye.